Hello everyone, we will be learning about fixed dry chemical system. Fixed dry chemical systems are mainly equipped on liquefied gas ships to protect the deck cargo hold area and the cargo handling area at the bow and stern of the ship. Learning target 1. Familiar with the composition and performance requirements of fixed dry powder fire extinguishing system. 2. Master the fire prevention, fire suppression, examination on the fixed dry powder fire extinguishing system test points. Study the catalog. 1. Fixed dry chemical system. 2. Question card guides. Learning content. Part 1. Fixed dry chemical system. 1. Overview. Fixed dry powder fire extinguishing system is mainly equipped on liquefied gas ships to protect the deck cargo hold area as well as the cargo loading and unloading area at the bow and stern of the ship by using chemical dry powder. The working principle of the system is as follows. When the fire occurs in the deck cargo hold area, open the nitrogen drive cylinder, release the drive gas into the dry powder tank of the system, blow the dry powder out of the dry powder tank, and then blow it to the dry powder gun lens to be sprayed out through the pipeline. 2. Composition. Fixed dry powder fire extinguishing system mainly consists of dry powder tank treating, gas cylinder, nitrate cylinder group, pipeline, pressure reducing valve, dry powder gun, and other parts. 1. Dry powder tank used for storing chemical dry powder. 2. Driving cylinder used to trigger the nitrogen cylinder group. 3. Nitrogen cylinders at the cylinder stores pressurized gas, which is used to discharge the chemical dry powder in the dry powder tank. 4. Piping used to transport dry powder to the dry powder gun or dry powder cannon in the protected area. 5. Pressure reducing valve should be capable of depressurizing the high pressure driving gas to medium pressure and delivering it steadily into the dry powder tank. 6. Dry powder cannon, a stationary dry powder nozzle used to protect cargo hold areas and loading and unloading areas. 7. Dry powder gun, including house handheld dry powder nozzle, used to protect the area not covered by the dry powder gun. 3. Performance requirements. 1. The cargo hold area of the ship shall be equipped with at least 2 sets of chemical dry powder devices, including control units, pipelines, dry powder guns, or handheld hoses. 2. The loading and unloading areas at the bow and stern of the ship shall be equipped with 1 additional chemical dry powder system, with at least 1 dry powder cannon and hand tools. 3. Sufficient chemical dry powder shall be stored in the dry powder tank to ensure that all dry powder cannons and hand-held hoses connected to the tank spray for at least 45 hours. 4. The handheld hose and dry powder gun shall be stored in an easily accessible weather-tight unit, and the length of the handheld hose shall not exceed 33. 5. A control station, capable of activating the dry powder system, is usually located close to the dry powder gun or handheld hose, and instructions for operating the system are posted. Part 2 Question Card Guide. The above is what we have learned about fixed dry chemical system. This is the end of this class. Thank you.